Alright, I'm going to go over how to check out your theme options as well as how to edit this top left header area and the top right header area. So let's start with the theme options. This is where you'll find things like how to adjust the logo, change the background color, font of the header area in particular. So to visit that's pretty easy. It's just under Appearance and Customize, or the Customize button right there while you're viewing the site. Now this will open up the theme options panel on the left and a preview of your site on the right. So the first thing you'll probably want to do is edit that logo, and it's pretty easy. It's under Header and Logo. So here you can change your logo, you can adjust the width of your logo, margins, a whole lot of options there. As I mentioned before, under header as well, you have things like your general header options. So let's say we want to adjust the background color. You can do so easily right there. And same thing with the sticky header options. You can adjust those as well or disable it there. So definitely a lot of options there that you can play around with for your site. Now, then the other thing I wanted to kind of cover was this header top area. And you do have some options for that under top header options, and that you can do things like you can completely disable it. Up there you can change the colors, the fonts, all sorts of options under there. Let's just dig into the top right. So the top right, the social icons are in the header social icon area, and again you can hide them, you can adjust the margin, and you can add a whole bunch of other icons as you would like there for your header social icons. So that's going to cover your options and the top right header. Now the top left header, let's go ahead and close out of this. I'm not going to save it, save those changes, but this top left area right here is actually a widget, and so each one of these is a widget area. And what I mean by that is if we go to our dashboard, it's pretty easy. Go under Appearance and Widgets, and you'll see a couple widget areas. You'll see your main sidebar, you'll have a shop sidebar, and then a header top left and top right. Now our top right's blank because we have icons in there, but the top header left has 3 widgets in there, and they're pretty basic. If you just click on them, you can see the text that you can change right there, so you can add in your phone number, etc. You can even add more widgets in if you wanted, or less. And then if you want to remove one, let's say we want to remove the last one, which was the email, just drag it off there and it will hide it. And now when we view our site, you'll see we have 2 widgets and then the email one disappeared. So pretty easy to edit that area right there, add, remove them, etc.